Stop punishing bad news. Most suppliers hide process gaps. Great ones highlight them and fix them. If your suppliers are always green on the tracker, you may be sitting on red risks. As sourcing leaders, your real advantage is not perfect reports, it is the honest signals early and with action. Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal, founder director at Presidec Forgings and Engineering Private Limited. I work with global supply chains every day, especially in automotive, agriculture machinery, and machining industries. I know your reality. Launch deadlines, PPAP clocks ticking, cost down targets, and the fear of a line stoppage because a batch went wrong somewhere at a forge or heat treatment line. One escape can damage reputation across plants and customers. You want a stable supply, predictable quality, and partners you can trust. Let us talk about a mindset that reduces firefighting and gives you calm, repeatable performance. Why do process gaps stay hidden until they explode? Three common reasons. Incentives are misaligned. RFQs are reward price and nice PowerPoint. Culture. Many suppliers fear losing face or business if they flag a risk early. Here's a familiar story. A machining company in Europe approved a supplier with flawless PPAP documents, but no one checked how they controlled dry preheat or measured soak time in heat treatment. The first winter shipment had micro cracks in a forged yoke due to quench non-uniformity. It was all green on paper, but all red in reality. The quality of a part is the output of defined windows, controlled variation, and honest escalation. Final inspection is a mirror, not a cure. One simple fact: the cost of a defect multiplies roughly 10x at each stage that it escapes from the in-process to the customer line. Catching it at the billet stage is cheap. At your plant, it is painful. The best suppliers show you their worst days. If they cannot point to the last month top 3 defects and the corrective actions, they are not learning. Use the Forge checklist in every supplier evaluation or line walkage. F. Flow map door to door. Ask for a simple flowchart showing the process from steel cutting to forging, trimming, shot blasting, heat treatment, machining, final inspection, and packing. See cycle time, work in process, and first part step to step. O. Operating windows and define. Billet temperature limits, die preheat, lube concentration, check thermal mapping, quench temperature and agitation. R. Real-time metrics visible. First time part at the bottleneck. Scrap and rework Pareto for the last 30 days. Tool or life tracking, die life tracking, last change point. Calibration, status of gauges used on critical dimensions. G. Gemba behavior. What people do under pressure. Ask to see the last 3 red tags or customer complaints. Who owned them? What containment was done within 24 hours. Watch a shift handover. Do they discuss risk, not just output? E. Escalation and evidence. Clear 24-hour escalation rule for the customer in case of any risk to delivery or quality. Standard problem solving 5Y fishbone with evidence, photos, data, and true statements. Traceability, heat number to batch to carton. 2 buyers practices to reinforce this. Put No penalty for early risk flag into your working terms. Reward timely transparency. Hold a 15-minute weekly risk huddle. One slide with red or amber risk actions and due dates. The big idea: stop buying perfect paperwork and start buying process transparency and learning speed. Most suppliers hide process gaps. Great ones highlight them and fix them. Your power move is to make honesty safe and expected and then measure. When you visit a supplier, ask lesser questions about certificates and more about their last 3 failures and what changed on the line because of them. If the answers are clear, specific and visible at the Gemba, you will sleep better. Reflect on this. If your supplier reported a serious risk tomorrow morning, would your team thank them or punish them? I would love to hear from you. What is the one silent risk you have faced in your supply chain and how did you uncover it? Share your experience and your story, which could help another manager prevent their next firefighting. See you in my next video.